Louisa Harding Amitola Grande Amitola Grande yarn. Say that 5 times fast. Let me see right there. And yeah, it's really an addictive pattern. I don't always have time to make all of Jess's patterns, but I started making this and like I made another one, and then I made a pair of fingerless gloves. I don't know if I've shown them to you yet, Jess, but the yardage in this yarn is so generous that it gives you enough to make a beautiful pair of fingerless gloves in the same pattern. Aww. So beautiful. Right? Canette says, love the hat. And it comes with a faux fur pom that is handcrafted by Life's Little Things Co. And so that is Jamie in Colorado. And I even had enough yarn left over to make, whoops, wrong way, a tiny little hat on my holiday shop sign.